Welcome to my channel Digital Ally Academy. In the next 20 to 25 minutes, I'm going to show you how to develop a car game like what you see on the screen. Stay tuned. Greetings to my fellow viewers. Welcome to Digital Ally Institute or Digital Ally Academy. This is where we teach you digital literacy so that you can become good and great. Now, today, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide to create a card game in Unity. It's quite very simple, but it needs a lot of practice. So, what you have to do first is to install Unity and set up a new project. You have to install Unity and set up a new project. Now, how do you do that? To install Unity and set up a new project, you have to connect your internet, which I know you know how to do already. Okay, so then you go to Google Chrome or you can use internet or Microsoft Edge and Internet Explorer, whatever, the one that best suits you. Then you download Unity, Unity Hub, Unity Hub. So this is Unity Hub. You see, start your creative project and download the Unity Hub. So you download and then you log in with your details. After downloading, then let me show you how to go about your car racing game. Okay, so now let's assume you've downloaded the Unity Hub. Let's look at how to create the car game. So first, I have it on my desktop, but for the sake of the tutorial, I'll show you how to do it. So you type Unity. So this is the Unity Hub. Then you click on it, double click on it. So it will open for you. So whilst it's opening, so this is it. Now you see we have new project. That's after you've logged in. This is what you see. We have new projects. I have my subsequent project that I have built so far here. We have the car game, the game one, which is we have the maze, and then hilarious game that I have created so far. But if you want to create a new game, you go to new project, and then you type the name you want to give to your project. So if you want to give it any name that best suit you, you can type car game because it's car game you are doing now. So car game, then you choose this one. Okay, 3D built-in render pipeline. This is what you choose. Okay, so if it is here, no, make sure you choose this one. Then you go to create project. When you create a project, so first you have to give it a name. Okay, don't forget to give it a name. So you create a project name, that's car game. Then you go to create. Then go to what? Create. Okay. So that's it. So when you click on create, the Unity project will open for you. So you see, it is creating. Okay. Okay. So while it is opening, it takes a lot of time to open. It depends on your PC. Okay. So after giving your project a name, which is the car game, this is the, and then you, when you click on create, this is the interface you will get. So when you get this interface, how do you set the interface for your object or your car or for your game? So you move to what? Hierarchy. This is hierarchy. Then you click. So we have create empty child, but we are going to insert an object. So when you click on the 3D object, this is where you see the plane. The plane will give you the surface or the road on which the car will move. So you are not going to add a cube. You are going to add a plane for now. So let's add a plane. When you add the plane, this is what you will see. Now you have to click on the R. That's it's a shortcut. So when you click on the R, it will help you to scale. It will help you to scale the plane. So R, then you what? You scale the plane. So after scaling the plane, let's assume this is the road that the car will run on or will speed on. What do you do again? Now you must go to Unity Access Store and download your car. Okay, so you open your browser, then you go to Unity Access Store, and you click on it. Okay, so this is the Unity Access Store page. So what do you want? It's a car you want, right? Then you write maybe retro car. Then you add a free to it because you're not going to buy it. So retro car, then you add free to it. So you click enter, you click on enter, then you scroll down. You see we have many assets or free cars here that you can import into your project. Okay, so let's assume you want this car, arcade car. You click on it, then you go to add to my asset, add to my asset. Then you click on add my asset. So this is the car, very beautiful car. But in this case, you have to also log in. So I already have my email account. So I'll click on this Google icon, which will log me in. So this is it. So this is the car. Then you add to my asset, add to my asset. Then you go to what? Accept. You see, open in what? In Unity. Open in Unity. So the moment you open this car in Unity, then you see that what? Like, okay. So I'm just using this as an example. Okay, so arcade car, then you go to download. You download it, and then after the download, you import. You will import. So you see, it is downloading. You see, import. So after the download, you have to import. Then you click on import. Okay. So after importing your desired car from Unity Access Store, then you will get something like this. So this, all this, they are packages or they are objects that I downloaded from the Unity Access Store. So you see the plane that I added. When you click on any package or any object that you downloaded from Unity Access Store, you just drag it, and you see the color hot will change. You see that trick? The color will change. Okay, so any material or any object you download from the Unity Access Store, the moment you apply it to the surface or the plane, the color of the plane hot will change. So that's the trick. Now, after you've imported your car, you have to add what we call the physics. So we have the rigid body. You have to add a rigid body component to make sure the car can detect what object, that's the box collider. And then you also have, so in doing that, you have to what, create empty game objects as placeholders for the wheels if the model doesn't include them. So if the model you downloaded from the Unity Access Store does not include them, you have to what, create empty. So you have to create, go to hierarchy, then you click on empty, then you create empty game object for the for placeholders for the wheels. Okay, so that's it. Then you have to add your scripts. You have to add your script. So you see, you have car script here, car gen or car generate. So all these are scripts that you have to write. They are codes that what will help the car to move or control the car. So without them, the car will not move. Okay, so how do you save it? After you've added your car, your materials, everything, how do you save your project? Now, you come to file, then you click on what? Build settings. You can click on build and run, and it will do that automatically. But for the sake of the tutorial, you have to click on what? Build settings. Then in the build setting, you click on build, build. So you select the folder where you want your project to be stored. So you now select a folder in which you want to save your project. So let me choose Telegram desktop. Telegram desktop. Then I'll click on select folder. Yes. Okay, so now there is it. Racing game. Now it's an application. It's an application. So you have successfully what saved your game.